Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing of this nice big canvas here. So I think this is my package from Pretty Neat Creative. So I've done a couple of videos with them so far, which has been really fun, and I'm really grateful to them for working with me. It's really nice to work with them. They are great with communication. They have some amazing products on their channel. And they are also really great with tips and advice videos, how-to videos. There's so much information on their blog, on their website, so life a little bit easier. So I'm going to open this box up, because it's quite well packaged, and we'll get into it. So we've got the box open on one end, and oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, I didn't know they came in these tubes. This is great. So it just has the Pretty Neat Creative logo on the bottom, and this is a heavy duty tube. Nothing's going to get damaged in here, I imagine. So we just have the Pretty Neat Creative logos on there, diamond painting, and then in here it just says, in the days when we were children, everyone was taught to create things by hand. We believe that nothing is as unique, personal or well received as something that's been lovingly handmade. That's why we share a love for diamond painting, which thrills and inspires us every day, the Pretty Neat Creative team. I think that's really nice. That's a really nice little thing to put on there. And then we just have the 6 steps of diamond painting on there. So we have the unboxing, checking your beads, storing your beads, using the pen tools, sticking your beads and hanging on. And then we just have the Pretty Neat Creative, the website, and they are also on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. So this is really heavy. So I presume, as we twist this, oh, we're so excited. And it comes out like this. Wow, okay. Nothing else in that, so it's a really solid tube, that. Really nice for keeping it, for storing it as well. A little card that says for your order, you get 50% off your next order with your coupon code. Now, I'm not going to show it because obviously that's for my personal use. And so this is in, it's in a plastic covering. So we're going to open this up. Oh, it's a soft canvas too. How exciting. And the toolkit. So we get, I'm going to take you in closer actually in a moment to show you the proper toolkit. This is good. This is exciting. So we've got a bit of tape around this canvas. I'm going to try and take that off. Oh, this is big. This is big. Oh. Right, I'm just going to quickly show you this toolkit and then I'll take you back out. So the toolkit is in this little Ziploc bag. And we've got the Pretty Neat Creative Field of Beauty and Diamonds on there. And it just says PNC, Pretty Neat Creative Toolkit, and the kit contains tweezers, double-headed pen, pen grip tray and glue pad. So we get the little white tray with the funnel, which is really cute. We get a square of wax. We get the nice sharp tweezers with the cover on. We get a purple squishy for the pen, and then we get the clear sparkly pen that has the single placer, and it has the slim 4 multi-placer on the end as well. So a very nice little toolkit there. I'm so excited for this canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom the camera back out while we open up the canvas. Right. We'll fit it. I don't know if it can fit on camera. Oh my goodness. It's huge. Wow. So this is the image of Paris and the Eiffel Tower. So you can see the Eiffel Tower in the background, and this is a Parisian street. We've got the shops and people sat here. We've got a couple walking here. We've also got like a, I think this is like a fruit and veg or a flower shop. And We've got all the buildings up there, and this looks amazing. So yeah, we've got a really good mix on here. We've got colour blocking obviously in the sky and on the roof of this building here. We've then got some small colour blocking areas sort of on this building and over on this side. And then we have a lot of confetti in sort of these areas here. So all of this is very, very confetti heavy. So this will be the bits that I will be showing the confetti videos on and how to do them. So, wow. This is beautiful. The canvas is, it's not the velvet soft, but it's the soft backed. So it's a really nice feeling canvas. It's a poured glue canvas, which is, I'm so happy about. I wasn't sure if they were poured glue or double-sided tape, so I'm really happy that we have a poured glue canvas. This is a full square and it is a 60 by 80 centimetres. So it's a big one, and it's going to take a lot of doing, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this image. Absolutely beautiful. The detail I think that's going to be picked up in here is just going to be amazing. You can sort of see the couple having the dinner here. And you can sort of see people in the background sort of viewing the Eiffel Tower. It's just gorgeous. And the Parisian buildings are just going to come out really, really nice. I think it's gorgeous. So it comes with an inventory sheet. So we just have our canvas code here. It tells it's a 60 by 80, and it's got a little schematic of the picture there, which is just so cute. And then all the information on here. Don't get too worried about this. This is basically giving you your symbol number, your symbol code. This is possibly telling us how many bags we've got of each one. It's telling us the weights we have for each one. I think that's the weight in each bag. We then have the DMC codes. We have the quantity of diamonds that we need. And then I think this is the quantity of diamonds that we've been given. So we've got more than we need, which is always really good to have. And then on here, I believe this is the weight we've been given compared to how many bags. So yeah, I think that's really good. So on the top there, we've just got the top corner and it's got the canvas code, the size and the schematic there. As you can see, such a gorgeous, gorgeous picture. We have a legend on either side, which is really good. And we have symbol number, symbol code and DMC code down there. And we have a total of, how many do we have? 30 colours. And as you can see, they look really nice and clear. It's a good size legend, which is really helpful because some canvases come with the legends that are just far too small to see. So we've got that on the bottom right and the top left, which is really good. So let's have a closer look at these symbols. So we're going to go into a confetti area first so we can have a good look. And look how clear these are. Really nice and clear. Beautiful canvas. Beautiful. All these amazing colours. Wow. As you can see, that's very confetti heavy. We've got lots and lots and lots of colours all there mixing together. Let's have a look at some of the darker colours. And again, quite a confetti heavy area, but very nice and clear symbols. I am extremely happy. This is a beautiful, beautiful canvas. The image is stunning. I think the size works really, really well. I think anything smaller, you wouldn't be picking up this sort of detail over here. I just think it's beautiful. And it's a sort of image that you could have framed and put up in your house because it's the sort of picture you would buy anyway. So I think that's absolutely gorgeous. I will link this canvas down below for you, and I think they do it in different sizes, so I'll link the actual canvas down below for you, as well as the Pretty Neat Creative website. Shipping wasn't too bad on this. I think it was a couple of weeks. Again, I'll try and pop the shipping here. Just bear in mind that with PR packages, the shipping is sometimes a little bit longer because they are sending them to me. I've not actually ordered them. So let's have a little look at the diamonds. So we've got 30 colours all together. We've got 2 bags. I don't really want to get, I'm not going to open this one because you can see there we've got 3 big bags of 819, that looks like. We've got a couple of packs of light greys, black, dark purple and another light grey. But as you can see, the drills are beautiful. I'm going to open this one up, which has got a few more colours in, but I'm not going to get them all out because it will take me forever to put them back in. I'm just going to grab a couple of packs so we can actually look at the drills. So I want to grab a darker colour. Let's go with this one. So number 24 is DMC 938, which is our dark brown. And as you can see, look at those drills. They are really good. Very happy with those. Let's go for a lighter colour. So we've got number 11, which is DMC code 452, which is a beautiful sort of dusky pink colour. Really pretty drills. You can see all the facets on them. Really nice. I am very, very happy with these. We've got number 5, which is a 315, which is a beautiful, beautiful sort of red, sort of brick colour. Again, gorgeous drills, great quality drills. These are beautiful. Very shiny, well cut. I can't see any trash in there. There probably is a little bit, but I can't see any off apart from the little one that's decided to jump in there, the little grey one. Yeah, these are number 7, which is probably 414. Yep, 414. Really good. So I think this is going to be a beautiful canvas to work on. We have a gorgeous big canvas. We have very, very clear symbols and drill field. We have great quality diamonds. We've got the legend on both sides, and it's a really big legend, which will make things so much easier. We've got an inventory. We've got everything weighed out and counted, so we shouldn't be running short of anything. But so far, Pretty Neat Creative have been really good with communication, so I'm sure if there's any problems, I can contact them. But they do state on their website that you have a 365-day guarantee, which means obviously if you've got any genuine problems with your diamond painting, you can contact them within the 365 days, which I think is really good. So I am so excited for this one. I have got 1 or 2 to do before I start on this one, but when I do this one, I will be doing a couple of videos while I'm actually doing it, which I don't usually do, but we'll be going through sort of like dealing with these confetti areas, and the different ways that you can do them, because I know there's a lot of people that don't like dealing with confetti. I don't mind confetti. I have my own way of doing it, and there's some people have their own ways of doing it. So we will we'll go through that and we will see. We'll see how you all get along, and thank you for watching. So again, big thank you to everybody at Pretty Neat Creative for sending this absolutely gorgeous canvas to me. I am so grateful because it's absolutely beautiful. I think the quality is really, really high end. And thank you to all you guys for watching as usual. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.